Are you a boy or a girl? Are you a boy or a girl?
Sometimes interacting with our super-gendered world is like having the hiccups, an uncomfortable, unsettling, unpredictable interruption, causing one to become acutely aware of time, space, and body, often creating an unsettling feeling of complete, temporary lack of control.
Are you a boy or a girl? Are you a boy or a girl? Are you a boy or a girl? Are you a boy or a girl?
What exactly is the intention behind this question? What do you want to know? How I identify? What it says on my ID? It's an interruption dealing with people's assumptions, backtracks, and apologies. See me, ma'am, hear me, sir. I'm sorry, so sorry, awful sorry. My answers to apologies around gender assumption from this moment on will be, if you're really sorry, you'll stop gendering people and just say hello.
Are you a boy or a girl? Are you a boy or a girl? Are you a boy or a girl? Are you a boy or a girl?
In many situations, I find myself wondering, why do you need to know this information? No, really, I wonder, are we talking about gender or are we talking about sex? Like when someone asks me my gender and their eyes flick to my junk.
Are you a boy or a girl? Are you a boy or a girl? Are you a boy or a girl? Are you a boy or a girl?
It often feels that the askers of these questions don't really see me, disregarding lack of or embracement of all choice. The good thing about hiccups is they go away. And the good thing about the world and gender is sometimes you find yourself in a space able to be seen and unseen as this or that, transcending this binary what's in your pants bullshit and just fit right in.